In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, we'll take a look at the expansion of a database of truck repair service providers, a new scheduling platform for shippers, and a free ELD offering. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. 4roadservice.com, a database of truck repair service providers across the U.S. and Canada, has rolled out an update to its 4Road Service 3 mobile app. Now available for iOS and Android devices, the app helps truckers more easily obtain reliable repairs when unexpected maintenance issues arise while over the road. Highlights of the 4Road Service 3 mobile app include a redesign with a user-friendly interface that enables quick access to crucial information, a one-tap search option that allows truckers to quickly locate roadside assistance, truck repairs, or nearby truck stops, the option for drivers and fleet managers to submit and read service ratings and reviews, tailored search options allowing drivers to find repair providers specializing in their specific truck engine, tire, or reefer, a function that syncs favorite providers across all devices when logged into the app, enhanced compatibility with a variety of screen sizes, and no login required. Velocix, a software-as-a-service company specializing in logistics technology, has launched a three-way scheduling platform designed specifically to help shippers improve their cash cycle. The three-way scheduling solution is engineered to seamlessly arrange scheduling operations, enabling shippers to synchronize inbound shipments with suppliers and carriers on one side, while simultaneously coordinating outbound shipments to consignees and carriers on a single platform. Shippers can't invoice if they can't ship. They can't ship if they don't have a delivery appointment. By automating delivery appointment booking, Velocix unlocks the ability for shippers to invoice without any delay. Velocix Pass enables POD capture via e-sign to further ensure invoices are not rejected. Shippers can pick up from suppliers by booking a pickup appointment using the three-way generated supplier scheduling page, eliminating manual calls or emails to suppliers for pickup times. With a reliable system to select the best pickup time, shippers reduce inventory carrying costs and improve their cash cycle. This solution also reduces holding costs for customer-managed freight by orchestrating customer pickup. Customers are immediately notified when their order is ready for pickup. Removing any manual back-and-forth friction, shippers can predict when they can invoice and reduce the cost of holding inventory. By adopting this advanced scheduling tool, shippers can quickly identify unset appointments, monitor shipments that have not yet arrived, and take proactive measures to address potential issues before they escalate. Trucking Hub has introduced a free electronic logging device integrated into its carrier TMS to provide a single interface for enhancing compliance, real-time driver management, and data analytics. The ELD also serves as an advanced telematics device operating on the Verizon network, streaming real-time truck data to optimize fleet management, asset tracking, and overall operational efficiency. Trucking Hub is founded and operated by former truckers with the industry knowledge to develop a comprehensive suite of trucking software. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.